We are now approaching the peak of Mount Apo. I don't know how high
Or how low?
how low.
Nanami sa boulders. Padulong nami sa 90 degrees. Kani pebbles nandoon eh. Ito boulders.
Grabe.
Miss Universe ba? Doon na lang.
Ito na tayo, Wal.
Sid!
Okay, si Jang.
Imong bag ba? Mura na, pareha na sa forma sa porter. Well, smile for the camera.
Crep. I am Jano and we are currently on boulders. 3 ports way to Mount Apo. As you can see, Davao is there. And Samal somewhere. Our friends are at below. Okay. So very slow. Nas baba. It's almost 5 o'clock, and what you can see here is the dead crater.
Sid,
Alive.
unsa nang mga sulat-sulat ya? Are those the dead people?
Yes, those
Names are the dead people?
the dead people. And here, the boulders where we came.
It was a full ascent. We took it for
Yes. In fact, interesting, isn't it? Really good.
stay.
Tomorrow is Sunday, but today is Saturday. Date?
Original.
April 7, 2007.
Time,
Time?
7:30.
7:30 a.m. We're at the summit of Mount Apo, Philippines' highest peak.
Smile.
Ciao!
Welcome to National Geographic. This is
Mount Apo Peak.
Mount Apo Peak,
We are now on
311 feet above the ground. Sea level.
Adi.
And over there you can see the Talomo Club.
Talomo Club.
Talomo Club with Django the dog.
Django the dog.
And over there is the sitaw gani.
The campsite.
Pang. Tinuod lang helicopter be.
Natin manawagan diri si Di Melocoton, manawagan doon.
Manawagan.
This is my first time here at Mount Apo. No? It's really great. It's cool.
Sige.
I'd like to thank my sponsors, Pau de Arco and Salompas, and
Alaksan
yes, Alaksan, North Face. When I'm back in the States, I will
And soft tissue.
I will share this moment with the other Ifugals.
Alright. Go dyan.
Yes.
Ayos lang?
Nice words.
Roald. Ayos lamod. Mel. Ayos na lamod. Kini si Kuya Mark.
Kuya Marky.
Kuya Mark.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato.
From Japan.
Tanaw na to ang view sa Kalalombe.
Bakilid, puro bakilid.
Urig. Diri lakaw diri niyo. Tumuy.
Wow, Mount Talomo. Over there is Lake Venado.
Next stop,
Next stop, Lake Venado.
where the party starts and never ends.
Picture na. Saan mo gikan, Wal?
Ay, saan mo bag ni Ronnie? Dito niya makaya.
Losen ako!
Hindi ka kaya si Ronnie ba? Bugat kayo ba? Mga 40 kilos.
Mas, akong dala mo 50 kilos o 60?
Gwapo to.
Okay ra.
Namiss kapatagan. Yeah.
Chicken shit. Nandito po kami sa Venado. At ikatatlong araw namin. Balita rito ay may namatay na isang lalaki.
Uy. Saan na yung ginaluto? What's on the menu?
Spaghetti. Pero wala pa.
Wala ba?
Mamaya na pagluto na ng sauce.
Spaghetti.
Ikaw lang mag-contact. Mahiya pa ako. Ikaw mo nakausap. Yan lang gamitin mo na phone. Sakit naman siya doon. Sakit naman siya doon. Likod ni Nani. Si Nani injured ba?
Bari ka pa ikaw yun?
Tsaka ako.
Tayo ngayon. Tunay pa na to. Kaya po dito. At sinamihan kung bakit. Ayan po, ito ang rescue team. Yan na. Pwede yan na palaban to.